Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Carrithers Middle School here in Louisville, Kentucky, home of the Cobras. Got to speak to the 6th grade class today, all about kindness, compassion, choosing love over hate, and the main concept dealt with bullying. This is the National Month for Bullying Awareness all across the U.S., and so a lot of schools are bringing me in to share that inspirational message with their students. It was an incredible day, though. I had a lot of students come up to me afterwards, tell me that what I shared with them really touched their heart, really spoke to them, and now they want to go and share that gift with others around them by how they choose to treat them, that they show that unconditional love no matter what they're going through, no matter what they've been through, no matter what they're going to go through, that they can always choose peace, right? And we talk about the heart being as big as our fist, but that if we can see people for their heart before anything else, like the shirt, see them as human beings first and foremost, one race human, that we can turn this into this, that empathy, compassion, kindness fully enters into here, and we actually can lift people up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them, that in just 1 second, 1 word, 1 action, 1 heartbeat, 1 breath, 2 seconds, we can say something that's so positive it stays on someone's heart in a kind way for the rest of their life. Similarly, what we say and do can also really destroy a life. So we have to be so conscious and aware that no matter how someone's born, different than us, different background, different skin color, different culture, whatever it might be, that we still show that same empathy that you would show your brother, your sister, your best friend. So thanks for touching my heart. Never forget that you guys are true miracles. The M etched in all of our poems, for miracle upside down for worthy. That you guys are not mistakes. You guys are worth everything. You guys touched my heart today. And I know you're going to do great things by going out and sharing yours with this world. Hope to see you again soon. Much love. Peace.